Hello everyone, I'm Jason. I believe many of you, like me, have watched a lot of flooring installation videos. Some videos from creators with millions of followers are truly enjoyable to watch. They make flooring installation look incredibly simple. But when you try to do it yourself, problems keep coming up, like squeaking, mold, floating floors, or even cracks after just 2 or 3 years. Why is that? Actually, it's just like a chef cooking. Their secret recipe is rarely revealed. What you see is just the tip of the iceberg. The real core lies beneath the surface. Today, I'll reveal the secrets and uncover the critical steps deliberately hidden in those videos. After watching this video, I guarantee you won't feel confused about flooring installation anymore, and you won't be misled. You might even discover a new career path for yourself. Alright, let's get to the point. The two main challenges of flooring installation, which are also the core steps and the hidden iceberg beneath the surface in many videos, are ground preparation and handling expansion gaps and joints. For example, if a flooring project takes 3 days, 2 of those days are for preparation, while the actual installation only takes 1 day. This step is like the foundation of a skyscraper. It's the most crucial part. Today, we'll first uncover the secrets of ground preparation. It consists of 2 major parts, moisture control and leveling. Let's start with moisture control. Many people, including some installers, often confuse moisture control with waterproofing. Simply put, moisture control prevents moisture from entering, while waterproofing prevents water from escaping. One is inward-facing, and the other outward-facing. One is called a vapor barrier, and the other a waterproofing membrane. Common waterproof coatings are liquid similar to paint, and moisture-proof coatings are also liquid, appearing the same but absolutely not interchangeable. Sometimes moisture control is even more important than waterproofing. I'm not trying to scare you. When there's heavy moisture, you need to apply a moisture-proof layer before applying waterproofing. This ensures the adhesion of the waterproofing layer. Otherwise, excessive moisture will damage the waterproofing, causing it to separate from the wall, leading to tiles falling off, or even serious safety incidents. A few years ago, there was a case in South Auckland. Someone was taking a shower when tiles suddenly fell, resulting in a fatal accident. This shows just how important moisture control is. When laying flooring, moisture control is also a key step. It effectively prevents issues like mold, discoloration, or warping later on. So how can you tell if your house needs moisture control? First, by assessing the environment. Basements, ground floors, or floors below with commercial kitchens or laundry rooms generating a lot of humid air all need moisture control, as the moisture can seep through the floor. Second, by testing. You can use professional equipment or simple tricks. For the trick, take 5-6 pieces of cling film about A4 size, place them on different spots of the floor, seal all edges with tape, and check after 48 hours. If there's noticeable moisture inside the cling film, moisture control is necessary. Like waterproofing, moisture control usually requires 2 layers to be effective, one applied horizontally and the other vertically. Sometimes, a 3rd or 4th layer is needed. We'll discuss the application order of the moisture barrier later. Some houses have mold on the exterior walls near the bathroom, which is caused by poor waterproofing inside the bathroom. You can also apply 2-3 layers of moisture barrier on the outer wall to avoid mold. However, moisture control isn't always necessary. Whether to apply it depends on the test results and your budget. A quick advertisement here. Our company, Frico Flooring, has its own stores in New Zealand. Over the years, we've served more than 5,000 clients, covering a total flooring area of over 200,000 square meters. From small bathrooms to multi-million-dollar luxury homes, and even large apartments and 5-star hotels, we've left our mark. Through this journey, we've not only accumulated rich practical experience, but also built a large database, much like Tesla collecting driving data, and continuously optimizing our techniques and services. As a construction professional, I combine theoretical knowledge with practical experience, giving me the confidence to bring you truly useful flooring knowledge and professional installation services. Alright, let's get back to the topic. After moisture control, we need to discuss ground leveling. Leveling typically involves 2 steps: Quick grinding and leveling. Many people think the floor is already clean and doesn't need grinding. In reality, this is the most overlooked mistake before flooring installation. Grinding has many benefits. It eliminates minor unevenness, reduces leveling costs, removes weak surface layers, paint, and contaminants, and greatly enhances adhesion for subsequent materials. One thing to remember, always use effective dust covers and vacuum attachments while grinding to keep the room clean and protect the worker's health. After grinding, if moisture control isn't needed, leveling can begin. Determining floor flatness isn't done by eye, but with tools like laser levels or straight edges. Laser levels are typically used in luxury or high-standard projects for the best results, though they can be expensive. Sometimes leveling just tens of square meters can cost thousands of New Zealand dollars. Straight edges are more commonly used and cost-effective. The method involves placing a 2-meter straight edge on the floor and measuring gaps between the edge and the floor. Any gaps over 2 millimeters require leveling. The longer the straight edge, the better the measurement. Don't cut corners. Check both horizontally and vertically across the flooring area and mark uneven spots. Every corner must be checked. Skipping this step often leads to future problems. Once flatness is assessed, there are 2 common leveling methods. One is deep grinding with large equipment or small tools. Another one is filling materials like plywood or self-leveling compounds. We often use quick-drying self-leveling compounds that allow foot traffic in just 3 hours, significantly shortening the construction period and reducing indoor humidity, which is better for the house's health. I suggest avoiding slow-drying compounds and keeping up with advancing technology. Most common flooring problems arise from small errors in the leveling process. For self-leveling, the most common mistakes are skipping or misusing primers and mixing incompatible compounds. Primers are specific to permeable and non-permeable substrates. Concrete is permeable, while wood, tiles, vinyl, and waterproof layers are non-permeable. Using the wrong primer or skipping it can cause cracking or failure in the self-leveling layer, requiring a rado. Another mistake is mixing different types of self-leveling compounds. Some are suitable only for stable substrates like concrete slabs, while others are required for movable substrates like wooden floors. Don't misunderstand, self-leveling doesn't mean it's completely automatic. Manual intervention is necessary to ensure a smooth, seamless surface. After drying completely, the flooring can be laid. Although instructions might say flooring can be installed after 12 hours, factors like temperature, humidity, and thickness often require 24-72 hours or more. Adhesive flooring may need 5-10 days to fully dry, ensuring no residual moisture remains to prevent mold or adhesion issues. Today, we summarized the 3 steps of ground preparation: grinding, moisture control, and self-leveling. Many people make mistakes in the sequence. The correct process is grinding, then moisture control, and finally leveling. Following the standard process ensures stability and longevity for your flooring. I hope this video helps you better understand the groundwork of flooring installation and avoid unnecessary detours. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for supporting Master Hugh. See you in the next video.